What's up, everyone, viewers and all? Welcome back to my channel. Today I got a little bit of a ride, a little bit kind of like a vlog thing going, more of like a channel update. Just want to give you guys a little bit of a channel update. I know I've been building this channel on this little R3 here, but unfortunately I think it is going to be time for her to be sold. I love her so much. It's been so much fun. Don't forget that this is an automotive channel. I still will be making content, may get another bike in the future, but currently, you know, I just need to, you know, maybe even get a project car. I'm not really sure, you know, but right now, I'm not gonna lie, my family is in need of a vehicle, and I'm the only one with the least practical vehicle here. And obviously, in the event that they need to use my Civic, I need to have another car so I can get to work. Because you can't ride this in the winter or anything like that, and it's a pressing need. And if I could keep her, I would. We've been having a great time this summer. It is what it is. Actually, later today, I'm going to be showing her off to some guy that is interested on Facebook, and I'm doing a little bit of a package thing where I'm going to give away one of my rear stands and bags and stuff like that to kind of like give away a little starter kit, take care of the next rider. I learned a lot on this bike. I know there's still a lot more to learn. Just it's something I need to do. You know, I prayed about it and I know it's right. It just is what it is. Either way, let's you know, enjoy today's ride. I got about 30 minutes. 38 minutes, that clock's off, and so I gotta go meet the guy. Now maybe I'll keep vlogging it, maybe not. We will see. Definitely going to still be putting a few miles on this. Maybe record today, maybe record another time before I give her away. Hopefully gonna try to keep getting some reels, or today I'm going to try and film some reels before we have to go up there, so we're a little bit on a time crunch. It's been a little while since I motovlogged, and you know, it was kind of a dream of mine for a while, so to have to kind of give that dream away for a little bit, it sucks. It sucks, I won't lie. But it's not like I'm giving up on my automotive dream as a whole, you know, just I have to get rid of my bike, and I still have the 2 mopeds, 3 mopeds actually, so there will still be riding content on here, don't you worry. We're still a rider, I'm still a biker. You know, just the R3 has to, you know, be sold. Get a project car. Just basically changing the direction of the channel a little bit. You know, we're still automotive enthusiasts here. Still going to be making edits and all the above. So don't you worry. The blue channel will live on, and who knows, maybe I'll get a blue ZX6 or something, maybe, eventually. Or I'm really looking at those Triumphs or an Royal Enfield or something. They look more chill. I know this isn't very sport bike positioned, but I'm a little cramped up on this bike, and I think I would enjoy a more cruiser-esque bike, one that doesn't incite so much speeding. Even though this is, people will be like, that's speeding? That's speeding? Like, yeah, for me, this is fast enough for around here. I don't really need a 1000cc motorcycle. Yeah, this has been a blast. It's definitely a solid beginner bike. I guess kind of give you guys my review of it so far, but power band is really small, as you would expect. It's definitely fast, you know, for depending on where you are. For me, like, I feel like this is fast enough. My only complaint is, yeah, the size of the bike. I'm really scrunched up on here, but it is the lowest in its class for seat height, and I am 6'1", almost 6'2", so I'm definitely scrimped up on this. It's good on gas. It sounds good with only a slip-on exhaust. The mirrors are good. It's comfortable-ish. The tank pads definitely make it way better, but I mean, that's kind of my comprehensive-ish review of it. If you guys remember, but from one of the OG videos, there's a lake spot over here, and I kind of want to pull the bike up on the dirt. Oh, it's a little, shut it up on the dirt, and then get some like scenic views. No swimming, fishing, or ice skating. It doesn't say no motorcycles though. Yeah, like pull her down here or something? Yeah. Yeah. I'm thinking like, probably like right here. Yeah. Okay, let's do that. I'm probably gonna want the bike facing that a ways. So we gotta go like this. That would be a bad time to drop the bike in the lake, wouldn't it? Yo, Facebook guy, if you're seeing my channel, don't worry, man. I'll be taking good care of my R3, don't you worry. Okay. Kickstand. Whoa. Oh yeah. Dude, that's actually heat right there. Now you guys get to see firsthand how I film my edits. Get one from a distance here. How does that look? Amazing. She's got some crazy lean on her right now, though. Oh, shit. Okay, we're moving. We only need to do one more angle, and that is right here. Get this sideways angle. This is a beautiful bike. I'm gonna miss her, man. OSMO transmitter storage full? What does that even mean? My Digi is giving me a weird notif saying that the OSMO transmitter storage is full. Well, I mean, it's picking up the microphone, so that's good. I would have been so sad otherwise. I forgot I needed to get some booty shots. I think that's it for now. Gotta go ahead to the park. Hopefully I'm there first, honestly. My parents are supposed to be coming with the other things like the rear stand, extended warranty papers and stuff like that. So, and see if we can't lock in a deal for this. Although it is the end of a chapter, I'm very excited for what the next brings. Either way, I still have all my gear. Like I said, 2 other mopeds, so still expect riding content. It's not like I'm done making riding content. I'm gonna still keep on doing it. It's just not gonna be with the R3 per se. Okay, garage, wallet, we're good. Let's get out of here. I bet nobody was expecting that. Sport bike from the woods. Man, fall rides would have been so sick. I mean, listen, if this guy don't take the bike, I got one other person looking at this bike. And if they don't take the bike, then this bike's going to the car show, Caffeine and Carburetors, and you guys are coming along with me. Your boy, straight line warrior. Nah. What up, dude? Biker brother! If you guys have any ideas for a project car, let me know down in the comments. I was looking at a manual E46, maybe a Miata. I'm not really sure, but if you guys have any ideas, let me know down in the comments below. I know that E46 is not very mechanically friendly for somebody like me who's never even wrenched on a car before, but I kind of am into that because, you know, what better way to learn than to be straight in the dumps with a car that you have no idea about. There's only one way to learn, and I feel like that's the best way to learn, by exposure. Open the suggestions. Definitely looking for something budget friendly for sure. Say the price of a R3. Excited for the future of this channel, where it will go. I know God's got my back, and he's looking out for you guys too. He's looking out for everybody, and I know he's got a plan, so I'm not too stressed. So many factors to take in. There's so much construction going on everywhere. My brain map is gone. Blue maps. Where should I go? Just close my eyes. I shouldn't have done that. Big dum-dum. Hear them barbos go. Fuck y'all. Listen to those crispy downshifts, people. Listen to them. Here we go, here we go. Yo! We made it. What's up? Alright, so we just did some business. Brody's taking the bike. She's gone. No, I'm talking to the YouTube channel. Alright, so the deal is done! The R3 is going to a different home, boys. The R3 is going to a different home. But it is okay, because we will live and we will keep going, we'll keep riding, keep vibing, and yeah. It does kind of suck, but it doesn't suck too much. You know, the channel will live on. There will be plenty of blue motorcycles out there in the world. Now to safely return her to here, the garage. What is that big ass transformer right there, bro? That's a big ass transformer. Alright guys, well, hope you enjoyed the video. I'm sorry to hear or tell you guys about the R3 no longer being in my itinerary for videos, but you know, this is the way that the things are going. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will catch you guys in the next video. I still have at least 2 more videos to drop out about this vehicle, but I will catch you guys in the next video, and I hope you enjoyed. I'm about to cruise for a little bit longer and enjoy my bike before she goes next Wednesday. I love you guys, and stay tuned for more videos. Peace.